Alright, examples for worksheet 8.1b for Friday, March 20th. So on this one, we're doing the finding the angle. Not finding x, just finding the w by itself. So most people, the common mistake is they try to divide by the tangents. And when you put that in a calculator, I know tangents cancel out on the right side. But if you put the 0.7536 divided by tangent in the calculator, you're going to get an error message. You made a mistake. So this is no. It's a common mistake, but you should not do that. So proper way to get rid of the tangent is inverse tangent. Right? We write it as tangent -1, but it's called an inverse tangent. So if you press the second button and then press the tangent, you're going to see tangent -1. So you put that in there, and then that cancels out the tangent -1 cancels out the tangent. So that's why you get just w by itself. And then on the calculator, you put in what's on the other side, which is tangent -1 of 0.7536. Again, turn the cell phone calculator sideways, and then you press the second button. Actually, you put in 0.7536 first, and then you press second tangent. So that will give you this number, 37.00167917. But the direction says to the nearest tenth of a degree. So that means you only keep one number after the decimal point. So looking at the next number, which is 0, you don't round up, you just keep 37.0. And I do want that 0.0 because if you just put 37, that means you round it to the whole number. To show that you round to the 10th of a degree, you need one number after the decimal point. Okay, so here's another one. Let's solve for the b, so get rid of tangent. And leave the fraction 8 over 5 as it is. Don't change it into decimal number. You're going to just type that into calculator as it is later on, like 8 divided by 5. So to get rid of tangent, you have to do inverse tangent on left and right. Tangent -1, but you read it as inverse tangent. So that will get rid of the tangent on the left side. You're only left with the b. Nothing else, just the b. And the other side you have tangent -1, inverse tangent of 8 over 5. So again, 8 divided by 5 in the calculator, and then you do the inverse tangent, or you just type it in as it is, and you get this number. And also you need to round it to the 10th, or one number after the decimal point. That would be 57.9. But next number is bigger than 5. Next number that you need to get rid of is 9. So you have to go one higher than that. So a lot of people put 57.10. Wrong. Completely wrong. Okay. 0.10 is not bigger than 0.9. So correct answer is one more than 57.9 is 58.0. Like 579, one higher than that is 580. So that's why it's 58.0, not 57.10. So be careful. Right, and then you have the drawings of the triangles on the back side. We're still looking for the angle. The question mark is the angle. We're going to call that question mark into an x. So there's an x. Okay, so we don't have a hypotenuse. So we didn't have any number on the hypotenuse side. So we're not going to use hypotenuse at all. So what we're using is the opposite side of the angle. So angle is on the left, 3 is on the right. So 3 is the opposite side. Just walk across the triangle. Yeah, walk in the triangle, and then you're going to get to 3. So 3 is the opposite side, which makes the 6 adjacent side. We're not using sines and cosines. We're still using tangents only. So if you use tangent of the angle is opposite over adjacent. So the angle that we're looking for is unknown. It's a question mark. So we're going to put x in its place. So it's tangent of an x. And then the opposite side is 3. We figured it out. And adjacent side is 6. Okay. So we are solving for x. We're solving for the angle. So you need to get rid of tangent. And that's the trick we just learned. Inverse tangent. Tangent -1. So that will cross out the tangent and you get the x by itself. And that should equal to inverse tangent of 3/6. So you don't have to reduce the fraction because we're still working on it and we're going to use calculator anyway. So leave it as 3/6 and type that into the calculator and you get x is about 26.6. Again, one number after decimal point. Round it up. Okay, last one, 25. Angle is in a different place. It's in the bottom now. So what's opposite side? Well, it should be on top. So if you look at the angle, you just, walk across the triangle. So 38 is the opposite. Okay, hopefully everybody sees that. Okay, so opposite is across the triangle. Okay, and then we don't have hypotenuse. So I'm sure 47, okay, is between the angle and the 90 degrees. It's not across from the 90 degrees. So 47 is the adjacent side. It touches the angle and the 90-degree adjacent side always will. So use the tangent formula. Tangent of the angle x is the opposite side 38 over adjacent side 47. Get rid of tangent and you get inverse tangent of 38 over 47. And calculator says, I think it says 38.995. So if you round up, because it's 5, 38.9, one more than that is 39.0. Like 389, one more than that is 390. So one number after decimal point, 39.0. Okay.